Welcome to the future of power tech harvesting. Explore the giants of modern forestry as their million-dollar machines. Perform incredible feats, feel the ground shake as these. Steel warriors reshape the forest. This is where power, precision, and passion collide. The journey begins 11. Whoa, this is crazy. Look at that steep grade. Those trees are absolute giants. You've got to stay razor sharp with every cutout here. One wrong move and it's game over. Respect to the pros who handle these challenges like a boss. Listen up, buddy. This machine is a game changer. The Panzer Go 8 WC-44H7 is like having the Hulk on your team, powerful, precise, and ready for action with 8 all-terrain grip wheels. And an H7 head that cuts and slices like butter. It's built for performance. This is definitely one of the most fascinating videos out there, capturing the incredible teamwork between man and horse across rugged, harsh terrain. These magnificent animals, with their unparalleled strength, agility, and natural bond with humans, are nothing short of amazing. To watch as they navigate the terrain with such grace and precision. Hey, if you want to shred everything in your path, the Carlton SP7015 is a great choice. With a powerful motor like a wood chipper, the downside. Don't even think about it, just drive and let it do the rest. Great for large projects and stubborn stumps. Just turn the switch and say goodbye to those pesky stumps. Looking for a combine that's tough as nails but smooth as butter? Check out the John Deere 1-70E. This beast packs a serious punch. With a powerful engine and a reach that can high-five a mountain, it's the perfect combination of power, precision, and performance. If you want performance with attitude and no holds barred, the 1-70E is your new best friend. See that truck? 0.15 tons of pure muscle tearing down a rocky slope. This is edge-of-your-seat action, wheels grinding into the dirt, gravity testing every bolt. Yet the truck clings to the trail like a seasoned off-road gladiator. This isn't just driving, it's precision, guts, and mastery in motion. A true display of balance, control, and raw power. In South Africa, using the Barco 930 is a quick and effective way to tackle stubborn bushes. With its unmatched power and special design, this machine not only easily conquers all types of bushes but can also defeat stubborn forest trees such as sekkelbos, the most difficult tree to handle in this area. Drop one in the comments if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. What a beautiful piece of wood. The sight of this giant saw in action is truly amazing. The massive blade, the roaring engine, and the fast, precise cuts through a massive 60-foot log. It's a mesmerizing sight, even after 50 years. This sawmill still stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to harness the raw power of nature. Steep slopes, mud, wet ground. It's a real challenge for any rider when you're trying to maintain traction in slippery mud. Every inch counts. It's important to stay calm under pressure. Use proper technique and know your limits. Don't let the small size of this machine fool you, despite its modest appearance. The 4036's micro chipper wood chipper can turn even the toughest logs into small, uniform pieces in just seconds with its ultra-efficient drum design, extreme durability, and smooth operation. You'll be amazed at its power and reliability. You'll get that brute pulling power while the grapple locks logs in place. Like a pro wrestler's grip, sure, it might slide a bit, but that's just it showing off in the mud. The 6x8 GII isn't just working. It's having a good oil time, just don't forget to clean it afterward. Or it'll look like a rolling mud pie at the end of the day. The RT for 00, where brute force meets finesse. This mechanical beast doesn't just clear land, it obliterates it, roots pulverized, stumps devoured. It's like watching a metal symphony. Play the die's array of forestry. Call it what you want: destruction, innovation, or just pure chaos. This is machinery in its most primal, poetic form. True Grit in action. Imagine standing tall against life's challenges. And then add a chainsaw to the mix. This guy isn't just felling trees, he's dismantling limits. Taking on a leaning giant with one arm isn't just skill, it's sheer determination and brilliance. Oh, have you seen the CH885 Dynamicen in action? This thing doesn't just shred wood. It completely obliterates it. Whole trees disappear in its jaws. Smooth as butter, no jamming, no noise, just pure high-speed shredding power. And that's a wrap for today's adventure. If these heavy machines got your adrenaline pumping, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the action. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The jungle is waiting and the next adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video. Let's keep this ride rolling.